Dear student, all of you are welcome to my YouTube channel Math Success Point. And today I am going to discuss a very important topic related with the mathematics. What is the important topic? Logarithm. Generally the student feel difficulties to find out the log of the big numbers. How they feel difficulty? Because earlier it was in the syllabus of class 9, 10 or 11, but it has been removed now by the CBSE. That is why the students lagging behind to find out the log or to use the process logarithm. But why we use the logarithm process? Logarithmic, I will tell you the word meaning of the logarithm. Let me take the meaning of the logarithm. Logarithm, I will just break logarithm. Log plus arithmas, number. Arithmas number. Log means to make short, to make easy. Easy or short. Arithmas number means arithmetic. Then what is the meaning of logarithm? Logarithm means to make the arithmetic calculation easy. That is logarithm. To make the arithmetical calculation easy. That is a logarithm. I will prove over here. Sometimes it may be very difficult to calculate, to find out the value of the questions, arithmetical questions, whose power will be very large. Whenever suppose number is given, 999 to the power 999, how you will get its value? You will have to find out the product of 999. How many times you will multiply? 999 times you will have to multiply. But by using the log, you use the log and anti-log, find out the value of the number. Easily you can find out. Only the log table as well as anti-log table will be required. Okay? Let me take some important things related with the logarithm. Okay, what will be the important thing? First of all, because here it is given exponential form or logarithmic form. Let me take some easy questions. First, suppose 10 to the power 1, that will be equal to 10. How you will write it in the log form? Log form of it. Base is 10. You must have to keep in mind. Base 10, power is 1 and it will be equal to 10. Okay, let me take, because without the base, I have given the base is 10. Base of exponential form as well as log form, that is same. Log of what? 10. It will be equal to the power 1. That is very easy to write exponential form into log form and log form into exponential form. Let me take the second example, suppose of it. 10 to the power 2. That I am telling you the very important thing. Whenever you will find out, you will use the table, log table or anti-log table, it will be required. Okay, base is 10. In the second case, log, you write. Base is 10 and log of 100. It will be equal to power 2. You see the number of zeros, easily you can find out. In the rest numbers you can use log table. Okay, third case, 10 to the power 3, it will be equal to, suppose 1000, you see. And here the third case for log form of it, you see, base will be same thing, 10. And log of 1000 will be equal to 3. Okay, let me take one more example. Suppose 10 to the power 4, that will be 10,000. Carefully you see, 10,000. I am telling you the important thing to you. Exponential form as well as log form. Then log, base always will be 10 because base is required. Without base, you cannot write the log form. Sometimes it may not be given in the question, but that is understood. Base is there. 10,000, it will be equal to 4, etc. You can write the other form also, but you see, I am going to write over here. But base, which is very important, base is same for both what? Exponential form, exponential and log form. You see, base is same. That is the important point. Base will be same, you see. Okay, let me take some questions related with the logarithm. Some property, even in class 12 we use some conditions of log. And without these conditions, it is very difficult to find out the solution of the questions. What are these conditions? Let me see. I will tell you. Let me take these conditions. You see, that will be logarithmic rules. Rules of logarithm. What are the rules? Let me take first. Okay, whenever there is the product of two numbers, m and these are the two numbers. I told you base is same, base is understood. If you want to write, you can write either a, b, whatever it may be. Then in the right side, when there is the product of two numbers, base will be b, m plus log n. Log n, because base will be same, b, log n. Base is same. I told you base is understood, sometimes it may not be given. Okay? That is why if you want to write, you can write, otherwise no need to write. Because whenever I will find out the log of different types of numbers, there I will not write the base. That will be understood. That is why here I am telling you already, let me not to write the base. Because that is understood. I told you already, without base, you cannot write the exponential form in the log form. Log, very important thing, m to the power n. Okay, it will be n log m. Very important. Next, third case. Third case also you see, log, very important thing, log m upon n. It will be log m minus log n. These rules we use in the differential calculus. So many questions are there. And the student commit the mistake. Even intelligent students also commit the mistake. When suppose this form is given, you can find out the differentiation of this one. Whenever this form will be given, it is difficult for the student. That thing I will discuss in the differential calculus chapter, where the student feel difficulties. That is why you see, these are the three rules which you use in the differential calculus or integral calculus. Because so many rules are there. All the rules it is very difficult, but these rules we generally use. That is why I am telling you. Okay? That is why be careful. Let me take some more questions related with this one. After these rules, let me take how to find out the log. And I will tell you where the student commits the mistake. Okay, let me take one example. Suppose find the logarithm. Example. Whatever the example you want, you can take. Find logarithm. I already told you, you must be required the log table. Find the logarithm of. You will be required the log table. Whatever the number you want to write, you can write 4, 2, 3. Whatever the number you want to write, you can write. That depends upon you. Okay? You will have to find out the log of it. I will tell you how to find out the anti-log also. Okay? Solution. Let me take log of, carefully you see, log of 6, 5, 4, 2, 3. First of all, you see the number of digits in this number. Total 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One less digit. That will be 4. Point. Okay? After that, I will tell you how to see the values in the log table. I am having the book of this one, and log and antilog we can see in this table. You see, I told you 5 digits are there, 1 less 4 point. You will see, I am just going to write over here the value so that you will not commit the mistake and you will understand. 65 at 4. 65, you see, there is a column. This is the column, one column. One column is there. I think that may not be visible to you. This is the vertical line, first line, vertical line, column, and this is the horizontal line. Okay? In this vertical line, like that, this is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. Okay? In this vertical line, you see, in this vertical line, you will see the value. In this vertical line, let me see the value, 65 at 4, you will see. Here it is not 65 I think it may be on the second page. And you will see 65 at 4. 65 is here, 65 is here in the vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4, it is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And after that you will see the difference of the numbers. 65 at 4. It is 8156. You can see. You also open the log table and anti-log table while you are going to see my videos. Okay? उसको open कर लीजिए. तो 65 4 पर देख लीजिए क्या वैल्यू है 8156. मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 8156. Okay? 65 at 4. Difference at 2 first of all you will see. Difference at 2. Difference at 2 देखिए 1 से लेकर के 9 तक नंबर दिए हुए हैं इसमें. फर्स्ट में भी दिए हुए हैं, फिर उसके बाद देखिए हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन में आगे में नंबर दिए हुए हैं. दैट नंबर यू सी डिफरेंस एट 2 इन द लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन दैट इज 1. इन द लाइन ऑफ 65 वाली लाइन में ही आप देखेंगे डिफरेंस 2 के नीचे क्या दिया हुआ है 65 वाली लाइन में. ओके, डिफरेंस 1 आ गया. 3 पर देखिए डिफरेंस कितना है, सेम लाइन 2. यू ऐड ऑल दीज 3, 9, 5, 1, 8. That means, my dear student, I am just going to write over here 8159. 8159. You see, easily I am telling you 4.8159. Okay, this is the value of this one. This is the logarithm of it. This is the logarithm. Okay, and if you want to find out the antilog also you can find out. But I will tell you antilog also. Okay. But let me take some more examples here so that you will be comfortable to find the value of it. Okay, let me take the antilog. Okay, so that you will be comfortable to understand. Antilog भी देख लीजिए इसका antilog table. Antilog table 6, 5, 4, 2, 3. It will be equal to antilog. Antilog of what? 4, 8, 1, 5, 9. My dear student, I will tell you each and everything. That is why you concentrate over here. But this log you remove over here, from here, in the left side. It will be in the right side antilog form. Okay? It will be in the, because antilog that is the inverse of log. That is the inverse of log. Okay? You can find out antilog of it. You see, before the decimal, it is what? 4. 4 that is characteristic and it is Mantisha. Let me take. This is characteristic. देखिए इसमें अलग अलग लिख देता हूं मैं. देखिए 4.8159. It will be equal to what? 4 plus 0.8159. This is the characteristic. Characteristic that may be positive, either positive or negative. That may be in both the forms. ये पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. Either positive or negative. Characteristic. But this is Mantisha. After decimal, the value is Mantisha. Mantisha always will be positive. If it is negative, you change it into positive form. Otherwise, you will be there will be the wrong calculation. You will not get the correct answer. Generally, we use in chemistry practicals or in the chemistry subject to calculate the values, to find out the log and antilog. Alright, that is why you see. This is the characteristic and this is the mantissa. Mantissa is this one. Mantissa always will be positive. That is positive. Positive. And that may be positive and negative. This thing, you see. Let me take. Then antilog you will find out. Antilog. As I told you, don't touch 4 before the decimal. That is a characteristic. And you will have to see 0.81 at 5 you will see. 0.81. See the antilog table. Antilog table is also there. Antilog table 0.81. मैं यहाँ पर फिर लिखूंगा वैल्यू, यहीं पर लिख देता हूँ. लेट मी सी. 0.81 at 5. This vertical column you will have to see and horizontal column you will see. In the vertical column antilog table you will see 0.81 it is given. But at 5, fifth column you will see. That is 6531. 56531. 6531. Difference at 9. In the same horizontal line you will see the difference. That is 81. That is 40. It is 14. 14 is there. That is why you see carefully. Difference is 14. You get the sum of it. 5, 4, 5, 6. Okay? That is why, see, let me write. See one thing. Decimal, one number you will have to increase. You got the antilog 6545. But after one digit you will have to put decimal. And into the thing, characteristic, whatever the characteristic, whether it may be negative or positive, it is given, you write it in the form of 10. The power will be 4. Power is characteristic is positive, power will also be positive. Okay? And see that is a very important thing. If you want to multiply it, it will move 4 steps. How many steps? 4 steps. You see, 6 decimal will move 4 steps to the right side. 5, 4, 5, 0, 0.0. 4 step. I have moved the decimal to the right side of 6. Okay. You got the antilog. देखिए थोड़ा बहुत तो डिफरेंस आएगा ही आएगा. वैल्यू में थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस आ जाएगा आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन. व्हाई यू विल टेकिंग द लॉग. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस वैल्यू में आएगा ही आएगा. हम यहां से चले थे बिकॉज इट इज इनवर्स. मैंने पहले ही बता दिया थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस आएगा. ये 65423 है, यहां पर 65450 है. तो कैलकुलेशन में जो टेबल है ना, टेबल में थोड़ा बहुत, अब जैसे लास्ट में चीजें दी हुई है ना, उसमें थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस आने से, सपोज वो जो हमारी वैल्यूज है, लोग में जो वैल्यू दी हुई है दैट इज अप टू 9 डिजिट 10 डिजिट, उसको चेंज करते करते कहां पर ले आएंगे. 5 है, 5 से फिर उससे पहले वाली टर्म में जोड़ेंगे, फिर पहले वाली टर्म में जोड़ेंगे, उससे पहले वाली टर्म में जोड़ेंगे, लाइक दैट. तो इतना डिफरेंस तो आएगा ही आएगा. ओके, लेट मी टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग दैट वन. ओके, one more question I am taking, which is also important for you, but you must have to keep in mind the characteristic as well as mantissa. Okay, चलिए मैं एक क्वेश्चन लेता हूं. क्वेश्चन 2, find the logarithm of or find the value of. Find the value of. Find the value of. Actually I am taking such question for which the logarithm procedure is required. Let me take 9253 to the power 100. बताइए आप इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट. हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट इट. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 9253 you will multiply 100 times. It is very difficult to find out. That is why you see. But we can make it easy. Logarithm means to make the arithmetical calculation easy, to make the arithmetical calculation short. Okay, let me take the solution of it, dear student. Okay, 9, let me take the logs first of all of it. Log of it, 9253 to the power 100. Just before I told you, what I told you? Formula. Log m to the power n, it will be equal to n log m. अभी बताया, उसको देख लीजिए आप. 9253 log m to the power n is equal to n log m, like that. ये फॉर्म है, अभी बताया मैंने. That is the second rule. Second rule of logarithm. Okay, let me remove of it. चलिए भाई, 100 into log of it. How many digits are there? 4 digits are there. 1 less 3. Okay. अब देखिए, आप टेबल में देखेंगे 92 at 5. 92 at 5. चलिए भाई, 92 at 5 देखिए. log टेबल अपने अपनी log टेबल में देखिए. You are having the log table 92 at 5. You see the first column of the table. First column as well as 92 देखिए कहां पर है, उसकी में ही फिफ्थ रो में चले जाइए. रो फिफ्थ देख लीजिए और परपेंडिकुलर बना लीजिए. 92 at 5, 9661. That is 9661. 9661. But difference at 3. Same line. Vertical 9, 92. Difference you see 92. Same line, horizontal line देख लीजिए. Difference at 3. That is 1. 1. Add it. 2, 6, 6, 9. I think it is clear to all of you. 3 point. As I told you, there are 4 digits. 1 less 3 digits. 9, 6, 6, 2. Then you see, you multiply by 100 with this one. Then decimal will remove 2 steps. 396.62. This will be done. You see, log 9253 to the power 100. What a simple thing. Okay, because I want to find out the its value. 9253 to the power 100. We want to get the value of it. Let's take the value. Remove the log from left side. Take it antilog. Antilog of what? 396.62. I told you this is characteristic and this is multiplication. Both are positive. This is characteristic and this is multiplication. Okay, my dear student, 0.62. 0.62 है ना? 0.62. You see the antilog table. 0.62 you see in the antilog table at 0, because there is no digit over here, that is why you see at 0. देखिए 0.62 है ना, यहाँ पे 0, that is understood. 0.62 at 0 you see. 0.62 at 0. फर्स्ट कॉलम में 0 देख लीजिए वहीं पर. 0.62 that is 4169. 4169. It is the value of it. 62 at 0 you will have to see. 62 at 0, that is 4169. Okay. And I told you after one digit you put the decimal. Decimal will be here into. What is the characteristic? Characteristic that will be in the power of 10. Power of 10, 396. My dear student, you see, if you will take 396 zeros, you see how much lengthy, long number you will get. That will be its value. What value? 9253 to the power 100. देखिए कितना बड़ा नंबर है. इसको मैंने 10 की फॉर्म में लिख दिया. दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इट. दैट इज इट्स आंसर. 2 लाइन में निकाल दिया मैंने इसको. विद इन 2 लाइन वी कैलकुलेटेड इट्स वैल्यू. 9253 to the power 100. 100 times it is very difficult to multiply. That is why, that is the importance of log. To make the calculation easy, to make the calculation short. Okay, I think all of you understand this question, but I will tell you one more question, which is very, very important. Generally, the student feel difficulty, because I know the student used to ask me such type of questions. Let me take. Because today is the day just to take the class of log and antilog. Okay. Sometimes the student say, sir, please tell the example, find the antilog, of what? Minus 1.4561. Find its antilog. What is the characteristic the student used to write? I am telling you. Minus 1 is the characteristic and this is the multiplication. No, it is not like that. It is not a multiplication. This total number is negative. How you will break this number? Let me take, see. I am taking here itself. This will be equal to minus, I am just going to break the number. Negative, because total number is negative. Characteristic, I am just going to write separately. And multiply is 4, 5, 6, 1. Characteristic is negative, multiply is also negative. If you will add, you will get the same number. But I told you characteristic may be positive or negative, but multiply should be positive. But it is not positive. Then what you will say? I am telling you, I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. Minus 0.4561. Okay? That is the thing. You see carefully. देखिए मैंने क्या किया, 1 ऐड कर दिया, 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा 1 तो -2 हो जाएगा और 1 ऐड कर दिया. ओके, इट्स वैल्यू विल बी -2 प्लस. नाउ द multiplication विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. 1 में से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. 1 से 10, 9, 6, 3, 9, 4 and 5 point. Decimal 0.5439. It is the multiplication. Multiplication, now you got positive. Multiplication. I am telling you the very important thing, and this is the characteristic. Characteristic. This is characteristic. This is negative. Okay, I think this is clear to you. If you want to find out the antilog of the negative number, then you must have to find out. Okay, because this is the log value. Okay, and now you can find out the antilog of it. Now, antilog of what is that? Minus 1.4561. You will find out its antilog. Okay, and I told you will have to break it. ये मैंने ब्रेक किया है. एंटीलॉग ऑफ क्या लिखा मैंने? व्हाट इज दैट? कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज नेगेटिव. लाइक दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट 0.5439. So you will find out its antilog. I told you इसको टच नहीं कर रहा. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज नेगेटिव, इट इज पॉजिटिव. ओके, लेट मी टेक 0.54 at 3. 0.54 at 3 you see. 0.54 at 3. 3 पर देख लीजिए. मैं वैल्यू यहां पर सेपरेट लिखूंगा. इसकी वैल्यू 0.54 यहां पे लिख देता हूं. 0.54 at 3. 3491. 3491. And difference at 9. Difference at 9 you see. That is 7. 0.54. That is 7. Then it will be 8943. You write it here. 3498. But I told you decimal will be after 1 digit. And characteristic you write in the form of, in the power of 10. 10 decimal power of 10 is negative. That is why decimal will move in the left side. Decimal will move in the left side. How many steps? 2 steps. Because if it is positive, then it will move in the right side. देखिए भाई, 2 steps it will move. 0.03. 2 steps हो गए. 498. Okay. Either you write in this form 3. देखिए 2 स्टेप क्यों कर दिए? 0 लगा दी मैंने. 0.03498. That is the antilog of this value. This is the antilog. I told you the total method in which the student commit the mistake. I think in future you will not commit the mistake. Easily you can find out the log and antilog of different types of questions. My dear student, I know what type of problems my student face. That is why each and everything I am preparing, I am telling you, I am teaching you. on the board so that you will understand. Each and everything. In future also I will upload my videos with some important concept, with some important values, but you must have to see my videos and then definitely you will become perfect. If you want to become perfect, you must have to see my videos. But thing is that you share my videos, you like my videos and subscribe my videos. Okay? It is my sincere request to all of you. Okay? Okay, thank you to all of you.